Tenable Security Center Online Training. Introduction to Tenable Security Center. Tenable Security Center is a comprehensive cybersecurity solution designed to help organizations identify, manage, and mitigate security vulnerabilities across their IT environments. It provides a centralized platform for vulnerability management, continuous network monitoring, and compliance reporting. Here's an overview of its key features, benefits, and functionality. Key features: vulnerability management. Automated scanning regularly scans network assets for vulnerabilities, configuration issues, and compliance failures. Asset discovery identifies and classifies all devices connected to the network. Vulnerability assessment evaluates the severity of discovered vulnerabilities to prioritize remediation efforts. Continuous network monitoring. Real-time monitoring continuously monitors the network for new vulnerabilities and suspicious activities. Threat intelligence integration incorporates threat intelligence feeds to provide context-aware insights and detect emerging threats. Compliance and reporting. Compliance auditing ensures compliance with various industry standards and regulations such as PCI DSS, HIPAA, and GDPR. Customizable reports generates detailed reports for different stakeholders, including executives, IT staff, and auditors. Dashboards interactive and customizable dashboards to visualize security posture and track remediation progress. Risk management. Risk scoring assigns risk scores to assets based on vulnerability severity, asset criticality, and potential impact. Prioritization helps prioritize remediation efforts by focusing on the most critical vulnerabilities. Integration and automation. API integration seamlessly integrates with other security tools, IT management systems, and CM platforms. Automated workflows enables automation of routine tasks such as vulnerability scanning and patch management. Benefits. Comprehensive visibility provides a holistic view of the organization's security posture, identifying vulnerabilities across the entire IT environment. Enhanced security helps proactively identify and remediate vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by attackers. Regulatory compliance simplifies the process of demonstrating compliance with industry standards and regulatory requirements. Informed decision-making delivers actionable insights and intelligence to support informed security decision-making. Efficiency and productivity streamlines vulnerability management processes, reducing the time and effort required for security operations. Functionality. Deployment can be deployed on-premises, in the cloud, or in hybrid environments, providing flexibility to suit different organizational needs. User management supports role-based access control, RBAC, to manage user permissions and ensure secure access to the platform. Scalability scales to accommodate the needs of large enterprises with extensive IT environments and numerous network assets. Customization offers customizable policies, scans, and reports to align with specific organizational requirements and security policies. Tenable Security Center Architecture explained. Tenable Security Center, now often referred to as Tenable.sc, is a comprehensive vulnerability management solution designed to help organizations identify, assess, and mitigate security risks. Here's a detailed explanation of its architecture. 1. Core components. A. Security Center, Tenable.sc. Function: acts as the central management console. Role: aggregates vulnerability data from various sources, manages scan policies, schedules scans, and reports on vulnerabilities. Interface: web-based interface for administrators and users to interact with the system. B. Nessus scanners. Function: conduct vulnerability scans. Role: scan the network and systems for vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, and compliance issues. Deployment: can be deployed on various network segments to ensure comprehensive coverage. C. Passive Vulnerability Scanner, PVS. Function: continuously monitors network traffic. Role: detects vulnerabilities in real time without actively scanning devices, reducing the risk of disrupting network operations. Deployment: often placed at strategic points in the network to monitor traffic flows. D. Log Correlation Engine, LCE. Function: collects and analyzes log data. Role: enhances security analytics by correlating log data with vulnerability data, providing a broader view of the security posture. Deployment: can be integrated with various log sources across the network. Integration capabilities of Tenable Security Center. Tenable Security Center is a comprehensive vulnerability management platform that offers a wide range of integration capabilities to enhance its functionality and facilitate seamless operation within an organization's security infrastructure. Here are some key integration capabilities of Tenable Security Center. 1. CM integration. Splunk integrates with Splunk for log analysis and correlation, providing detailed insights into security events. QRadar allows for the export of vulnerability data to IBM QRadar for advanced threat detection and response. ArcSight integrates with ArcSight for centralized security monitoring and management. 2. ITSM integration. ServiceNow integrates with ServiceNow to streamline the process of managing and remediating vulnerabilities by creating and tracking incidents directly from Security Center. Jira integrates with Jira for tracking and managing remediation tasks, enabling efficient workflow management. 3. Threat intelligence integration. Threat intelligence platforms integrates with various threat intelligence platforms to enhance the context of vulnerability data, enabling more informed decision-making. Tenable.ot integrates with Tenable.ot for industrial and operational technology threat intelligence, ensuring comprehensive security across IT and OT environments. 4. Cloud integration. AWS integrates with AWS to provide visibility into cloud-based assets and vulnerabilities. Azure integrates with Microsoft Azure for comprehensive vulnerability management of cloud resources. Google Cloud provides integration with Google Cloud for continuous monitoring and assessment of cloud infrastructure. 5. Endpoint security integration. Endpoint detection and response, EDR, solutions integrates with EDR solutions to correlate vulnerability data with endpoint security events, enhancing threat detection and response capabilities. 6. Container security integration. Docker and Kubernetes integrates with container management platforms like Docker and Kubernetes to provide visibility and management of vulnerabilities within containerized environments. 7. Patch management integration. Patch management systems integrates with various patch management systems to streamline the process of patch deployment based on identified vulnerabilities. 8. Compliance and governance integration. GRC platforms integrates with governance, risk, and compliance (GRC) platforms to ensure that vulnerability management processes align with regulatory requirements and internal policies. SCAP compliance supports SCAP, Security Content Automation Protocol, for standardized vulnerability and compliance assessments. 9. API integration. REST API. Tenable Security Center provides a REST API that allows for custom integrations, enabling organizations to tailor the platform to their specific needs and workflows. Custom Scripts supports the use of custom scripts and automation tools to enhance and extend the platform's capabilities. 10. Network and Asset Management integration. CMDB integration integrates with configuration management databases (CMDB) to ensure accurate asset information and context for vulnerability management. Network Scanners works with network scanning tools to continuously discover and assess network devices for vulnerabilities. Asset Management in Tenable Security Center. Asset Management in Tenable Security Center (TSC) involves managing and monitoring the assets within an organization's network to identify vulnerabilities and mitigate security risks. Tenable Security Center provides comprehensive tools for asset discovery, classification, and management. Here's an overview of how asset management is typically handled in TSC. Key components of asset management in Tenable Security Center. Asset discovery. Scans use network scans to discover devices and systems connected to the network. Connectors integrate with other asset management systems, example cloud services, network management tools, to import asset information. Manual entry. Add assets manually if they cannot be discovered automatically. Asset classification. Tags and labels. Organize assets using tags and labels for easier identification and management. Asset lists. Create dynamic or static lists based on certain criteria, such as operating systems, IP ranges, or business functions. Vulnerability assessment. Vulnerability scans perform regular scans to identify vulnerabilities on the discovered assets. Agent-based scanning. Use agents installed on assets for continuous vulnerability monitoring. Asset management policies. Policies and compliance. Define policies for asset management that comply with organizational and regulatory requirements. Access control. Manage who can view, edit, and manage assets within TSC. System requirements for Tenable Security Center. Hardware requirements. CPU. Minimum quad-core processor. Recommended 8-core or higher, depending on the number of assets being managed. RAM. Minimum 16 GB. Recommended 32 GB or more, especially for large environments with many assets. Storage. Minimum 500 gigabytes. Recommended 1 terabyte or more, with SSDs preferred for faster performance. Ensure sufficient IOPS for database operations. Network. Minimum 1 gigabit per second network interface card, NIC. Recommended multiple NICs for larger deployments to handle traffic efficiently. How does Tenable Security Center improve cybersecurity? Tenable Security Center improves cybersecurity through a comprehensive suite of features and capabilities that help organizations detect, assess, and manage vulnerabilities across their IT environments. Here are key ways it enhances cybersecurity. Continuous monitoring. Real-time visibility continuously scans networks for vulnerabilities, providing real-time insights into the security posture of the organization. Automated assessments regularly performs automated vulnerability assessments to keep security data current. Vulnerability management. Identification and prioritization identifies vulnerabilities and prioritizes them based on risk, impact, and severity, helping organizations focus on critical issues. Comprehensive coverage supports a wide range of assets, including servers, desktops, mobile devices, cloud environments, and IoT devices. Advanced analytics. Threat intelligence integration integrates threat intelligence feeds to provide context-aware analysis, enabling more effective threat detection and response. Predictive prioritization uses machine learning and data analytics to predict which vulnerabilities are most likely to be exploited. Compliance and reporting. Regulatory compliance helps organizations comply with various regulatory requirements, example GDPR, HIPAA, PCI DSS, by providing compliance-specific reporting and dashboards. Customizable reports generates customizable reports and dashboards for different stakeholders, ensuring relevant information is communicated effectively. Risk management. Risk scoring assigns risk scores to vulnerabilities, helping organizations understand their potential impact on business operations. Remediation guidance provides actionable remediation guidance to address vulnerabilities efficiently. How does Tenable Security Center integrate with other security tools? Tenable Security Center integrates with other security tools through various methods and technologies to enhance an organization's security posture. Here are some of the key ways it integrates with other security tools. APIs, Application Programming Interfaces. REST API. Tenable Security Center offers REST APIs that allow integration with other security tools, enabling automated workflows, data sharing, and custom integrations. These APIs can be used to pull vulnerability data, push data from other tools, and automate scanning processes. SDKs, Software Development Kits. Tenable provides SDKs for different programming languages to facilitate easier integration with other applications and tools. CM, Security Information and Event Management, Integration. Splunk. Tenable integrates with Splunk to provide detailed vulnerability data and analytics. This integration allows security teams to correlate vulnerability data with other security events and logs for a comprehensive view. IBM QRadar. The integration with IBM QRadar enables the import of vulnerability data into the SIEM, enhancing the correlation of vulnerability information with other security events. Ticketing and incident response systems. ServiceNow. Integration with ServiceNow allows the creation of incidents or tickets based on vulnerability data from Tenable Security Center. This helps in streamlining the vulnerability management process by tracking and managing remediation efforts. Jira. Tenable integrates with Jira to create and manage tickets based on discovered vulnerabilities, facilitating collaboration between security and development teams. Threat intelligence platforms. Tenable Security Center can integrate with threat intelligence platforms to enrich vulnerability data with threat context. This helps in prioritizing vulnerabilities based on the threat landscape and potential impact. Configuration Management Databases, CMDBs. Integration with CMDBs like ServiceNow CMDB ensures that vulnerability data is mapped to the correct assets, providing accurate and up-to-date information about the organization's assets and their vulnerabilities. What are the reporting capabilities of Tenable Security Center? Tenable Security Center, Tenable.sc, offers a robust set of reporting capabilities designed to help organizations manage and communicate their security posture effectively. Here are some key features. Pre-built reports. Tenable Security Center comes with a library of pre-built reports covering a range of compliance and security standards such as PCI DSS, CIS, HIPAA, NIST, and more. These reports can be used out of the box to quickly generate compliance and audit reports. Customizable reports. Users can create custom reports tailored to their specific needs. This includes the ability to select specific data points, apply filters, and choose from various visualization options, charts, graphs, tables, etc. Dynamic asset lists. Reports can be generated based on dynamic asset lists that update automatically based on predefined criteria. This ensures that reports always reflect the most current data for the assets of interest. Scheduled reporting. Reports can be scheduled to run automatically at specified intervals, daily, weekly, monthly, etc. This helps ensure that stakeholders receive regular updates without manual intervention. Export options. Reports can be exported in multiple formats, including PDF, CSV, and HTML. This flexibility allows for easy sharing and integration with other systems. Dashboards and visualization. Tenable Security Center includes interactive dashboards that provide real-time visibility into security metrics. These dashboards can be customized and shared with different user groups within the organization. Vulnerability Trend Analysis. The platform can generate trend reports that show the progress of vulnerability remediation efforts over time. This helps in tracking the effectiveness of security initiatives and identifying areas for improvement. Compliance reporting. Tenable Security Center provides detailed compliance reporting, allowing organizations to assess their adherence to various regulatory standards. This includes gap analysis and recommendations for achieving compliance. What are the system requirements for Tenable Security Center? Hardware requirements. Minimum requirements. CPU, 8 cores. Memory, 32 GB RAM. Storage, 500 GB for the application and database. Network, 1 gigabit per second Ethernet. Recommended requirements. CPU, 16 cores. Memory, 64 GB RAM. Storage, 1 TB or more, preferably with SSDs for better performance. Network, 10 gigabits per second Ethernet. Database requirements. Database, PostgreSQL 9.6 or later, included with the installation package. Additional requirements. Browser, recent versions of Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge for accessing the web interface. Dependencies, various software libraries and tools required for installation, typically handled by the installation script or package manager. Why choose ProExcellency for Tenable Security Center online training? Expertise and experience. ProExcellency likely offers training conducted by experienced professionals who have in-depth knowledge of Tenable Security Center. This ensures that you receive training from individuals who understand the tool thoroughly and can provide practical insights. Comprehensive curriculum. They probably have a well-structured curriculum that covers all essential aspects of Tenable Security Center. This could include installation, configuration, administration, advanced features, and best practices. A comprehensive curriculum ensures you gain a thorough understanding of the tool. Hands-on learning. Online training through ProExcellency may include practical, hands-on exercises. This interactive approach allows you to apply theoretical knowledge in a simulated environment, enhancing your understanding and skills. Flexibility. Online training with ProExcellency likely offers flexibility in terms of scheduling. This means you can learn at your own pace and convenience, fitting the training around your existing commitments. Certification preparation. If certification is your goal, ProExcellency may offer training that aligns with certification exams for Tenable Security Center. This ensures that you are well prepared to take and pass the exam, validating your expertise in the tool. Support and resources. They probably provide additional resources such as study materials, practice tests, and access to a support system. This helps you consolidate your learning and address any queries or challenges you encounter during the training. Reputation. ProExcellency's reputation in the industry for delivering quality training programs may be a factor. Positive reviews or recommendations from past participants can give you confidence in their ability to deliver effective training. Thank you.